Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reset your hidden chat pin in Viber. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Viber app on your phone. Once you're in, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see several navigation options. Go ahead and tap on More. This will take you to a menu with various settings and features that control your Viber experience. From here, you'll need to tap on Settings. This is where all your account preferences and customization options live, including the privacy settings we're about to access. The Settings menu gives you control over how your Viber account functions and how your data is managed. Next, look for the option labeled Privacy and tap on it. This section is crucial because it contains all the security features related to your account, including controls for who can see your information and how your chats are protected. It's where Viber keeps all the tools you need to manage your personal data and chat visibility. Now you'll need to scroll down through the privacy options until you find Hidden Chats. This feature is specifically designed to keep certain conversations private and locked behind a PIN code, so only you can access them. Once you locate Hidden Chats, go ahead and tap on it to open the Hidden Chat settings. Inside the Hidden Chats menu, you'll see an option that says Reset PIN. Tap on this option. This is the key step that will allow you to create a new PIN for accessing your hidden conversations. It's particularly useful if you've forgotten your current PIN or simply want to change it for security reasons. After tapping Reset PIN, a confirmation message will appear on your screen asking you to verify that you really want to proceed with resetting your PIN. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental changes to your security settings. Simply tap Yes to confirm your choice. And that's it. You've successfully reset your hidden chat PIN in Viber. Your old PIN is now cleared and you can set up a new one to protect your private conversations. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.